Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Amazon Flex application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Amazon Flex application on your Android device, go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Amazon Flex and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. As you can see, the Amazon Flex application is not available on your country. What you can do is download it from APK Pure application. For those who can get the Amazon Flex application on your Play Store on your country, you can just tap on Install button to download the application on your device. This is how you can download the Amazon Flex application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.